Where'd you put it? Where's it at? Where at? Right where? Oh, there it is. So locust, or what? Just about everybody's calling them the new name, cicadas, but I still call them the old Oklahoma southern name, locusts. See, they're not harmful. See, this is one of the brown ones. Now the green ones, I hadn't seen no green ones yet. They do have green ones. I think the difference between the green and the brown, I think are one of them's a male and the other one color's the male. I think the green one's the females. I'm not sure. But anyway, there's what they look like. In case anybody haven't seen them, y'all please remember to click that like button if you like this video, and remember to click that subscribe button if you're not already. Help my YouTube channel to grow. I'm trying to reach 200, and only you can help. Only you can do that for me. See, its eyes are outside of the face, which actually I think they got a skin over their eyes to protect them. But you can catch them real easy because they rest in trees. See, I put that in a tree. Yeah, me and brother, we used to catch them when we was growing up. That, my friend, is a locust. I don't care if y'all call them cicadas. I call them locusts, like I always have since I was a little boy. We've all called them locusts when we was little kids. Me, my sisters, and my brother, all my cousins, we always called them locusts. I think they're kind of cute. Don't you, Rabbit? Huh? She's shaking her head yes. But there you go. That is just a small one. I've seen them bigger than that in Oklahoma. I'm just wondering if this depends on what state they're from, the size they get. Because Oklahoma, I've seen them bigger than that. But there you go. Everybody's frightful of them. They ain't nothing to be frightful over. Just little flying insects, all they are. Little black ant. Uh-oh, is it going toward the locust? Oh, it just went right in front of the locust. Oh, it's coming down. What's it going to do? Oh, it's going on. It's looking for something else. It's not looking for the locust. In case y'all are wondering, it's not dead. See it moving its legs until it's not dead. It's alive. Come on, fella, you need to stay up there. It must be ill or something. If you notice, right here, part of its wing is green. Come on, don't fall. Let's put them back away. There we go. There you go, fella. Okay. Y'all, if y'all like this video, please click that like button and be sure you're subscribed. I'd very much appreciate it. I appreciate all you who've already subscribed. God bless you. Y'all take care. God bless. Remember, John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. John 3:16. King James Version. Y'all take care. God bless. Have a wonderful Sunday. See ya!